What's up, guys? Welcome back to DN Outdoor. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of fishing over here in the creek. Just put the waders on. We'll walk back to the side by side over here. Just got done checking out this little fishing spot over here. Doesn't look too good, but we're going to continue to walk the creek a little bit and head back to the side by side and actually explore part of the creek that we've actually never explored before. And if we don't get fishing like successfully, we don't get done fishing successfully, we're just going to scout out a few more spots, and probably that'll do it for today. But I'm going to walk back to the sub-side. As you can see, it's all the way over there. We got to be really careful right through here, because that over there, this is a pretty good bluegill hole, but there's nothing in here today. I fished it earlier, made a few shorts about it. I'm going to stick to the side over here just because I'm holding my phone. Don't want to drop it. But we just got this little jig head on right here. That part of the creek's pretty shallow. Right here in front of me, I can see the bottom. So I shouldn't have to worry about falling in unless we just absolutely trip or something. And we're gonna make our way back up this bank right here. So this creek runs all the way from right here, all the way to the very back of that field. And it also starts and runs all the way over there, and then there's a branch up there at the top. Let me just hang this over the side right here. Got everything that I need for fishing in the back right here. Got the bread from the bluegill a little bit earlier. Didn't have any success on the bluegill. Just gonna throw this over here. Pick up my bobber from earlier. Just throw it in there. And put it on tackle box, then we're gone. We're gonna hop in the side by side and we're gonna go. All right, just made it to the spot that we're gonna walk today if we don't have success fishing. I'm gonna grab the rod out of the back of the side by side. This is a ghost horn fishing rod. It's one of those like collapsible ones. You can get them on Amazon for probably like 50 bucks. It's pretty simple and cheap and like easy for me to use. So I got one. It works pretty well. I like it. It's easy to use and it's very durable. And it's one of the most durable rods I actually have right now. So without further ado, we're going to try to walk and get down into this, but we might try to fish this little spot right here first. I don't know though, because this looks like a decent spot to fish. But like I said, I'm not too sure. I've actually never fished this part. We are going to set the camera up. We're going to fish this little spot for a little bit right here before we move on to wading the creek, just in case there is something here and I don't want to miss it. So we're going to try to set this camera up as best we can and hope for the best. I'm gonna pull the side by side up just a little bit so that I can set the camera up. All right, pull the side by side up. I'm gonna be fishing over there. For the time being, I don't have a camera set up so you can see the water, but I'm just leaning my phone up against the tackle box right now, working on getting another camera put up. Me and my buddy are. So we're going to set this camera up right here and angle it over here, and we're going to fish for just a little bit, and then we're going to walk the creek. So I think we're going to have a pretty good day today. I'm not going to lie, hopefully. If not, that's okay. So I'm going to set this camera up. All right, just got the camera set up. We're going to head back to the spot that I just showed y'all. Fish for a little bit, probably not too long. Probably just a few casts, and we're gonna walk the creek a little bit, hopefully explore a place that we've actually never seen before through the creek. I've walked through here, but I've never walked to the right of me right here, so that'd be a fun thing we could do today. I'm just gonna fish for a little bit, and then we're gonna get started. All right, boys, so there wasn't any luck on the fishing part over here at this little hole that I showed y'all. I'll walk through this puddle real fast, but we're gonna walk to the right side that I showed y'all that I've never been down. And I'm not gonna take my fishing rod, just gonna kind of scout out a place today and show y'all just what we're dealing with down here, if I can make it down. So without further ado, we're gonna find a way to get in the creek. All right, boys, so we found this little opening right here. Just had to walk through a bunch of these like big thorns and stuff. Hopefully it doesn't tear a hole in my waders, but we are at the creek. And I'm just gonna wait a little bit up here because I really don't know how deep this is. I've actually never been back here, so this is like a huge challenge for me. I've probably maybe seen this part maybe one time in my whole, 16 years of life. So I have no clue what this holds, what's in here, and what we're really dealing with. I don't know if there's a drop-off spot. Really hope there's not a drop-off spot, because that would be horrible. Considering I've only got limited space in my waders, so. And wouldn't be fun to drop off in this cold water, I'll tell you that much. Hopefully this isn't too deep, just taking like small steps, trying not to slide around in here. I think if I can get on, there's a log right here, if I can get up on it, it'll bring me to a shallower side, and I think I'm right, yep. It's gonna bring me to this shallow side right here. So, back up here, there's a little like waterfall type thing. We're gonna get down over here. Actually, we're gonna go up here on this side, so I can make sure that I don't fall into a deep spot. And I'm gonna walk on this big pile of sticks right here. But as you can see, there is a lot of water in this creek, but I think we can continue to walk further. I just don't know how further. We're gonna attempt to make our way over this log right here, mind my hand. Trying to hold the phone as best I can and make our way through this. And we're over on this side right here, so. It might not have been the best idea to not bring the rod, but I think now that I have a pretty good understanding of what we got to work with here, I think we'll be pretty good. I feel like this spot right here would be a really good spot for bluegill, or even some like small bass maybe, but just gonna continue to make my way up here. But we're gonna be trying to make creek fishing videos a little bit more often now. Weather's getting a little warmer. Really trying to keep the content flowing. Hopefully we'll get some merchandise and shirts out. Hopefully, if we can grow our, like popularity a little bit. And we're just gonna get a lot of stuff done, and we're hoping to have a very good year here. My buddy, he's running the main channel. It's just DN Outdoor, not DN Outdoor 2, but he's pushing out content like crazy right now, so be sure to go subscribe to him. I've just made my own little branch right up here on my channel, so I could push some more content out, and we're just trying to push as much as we can right now. But we got a lot of good things planned for the future, and we think this will be a great experience for the both of us. And I think we can get under this log. Hopefully. We're gonna try to get under this log right here. Yep. We got it. We're under the log, so we're gonna continue our journey up the creek. But like I said, we're just gonna try to push content out like crazy. Just kind of get ourselves out there, known a little bit, and try to push towards a bigger popularity, basically. And right up here, you got the currents really strong, really pushing my way right now. Just gonna move this stick, if this is a stick. Yeah, if I can. There we go. Maybe that'll help it, who knows. But, this is a really, really cool creek. You know, you never know what you might catch in here. Like I said, I've caught a few bass, a lot of bluegill, obviously, because, you know, that's like main creek fish. And some turtles, too. But that's not our main priority, you know, we're focused on fishing. I'm going to head back now. I think I've reached the property line, so we're going to head back to the side by side. All right, finally made it back to the side by side. Just had to walk through like all that again. But basically, we're going to head home. Just about to be dinner time. Probably going to cook up some good fish fry or something like that. But that'll be all for today's video, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe and follow for more. We're going to be back with more content soon. Probably Monday, possibly even tomorrow, depending on what we got going on. But like I said, be sure to like and subscribe, follow for more. We're going to do our best to continue to push content out, and you know, just be there for you guys, and because we know y'all will be there for us. So that'll conclude today's video, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe, follow for more. This has been DN Outdoor. It's been fun having y'all with us. We'll see y'all next time.